Today, we will show you how to remove and replace your door handle on this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. To begin, first let's go ahead and open the door. Now, the main reasons why you'd be replacing your door handle is if it is loose, maybe the actual screws that hold it on there are damaged, or it could have a chip or some scratches on it and you just want to make it look better. In order to remove your handle, you have two Allen wrench set screws that are in the side of the handle. You'll want to use the supplied Allen wrench that they gave you with your owner's manual to take this off. But start to loosen both of them. Then eventually you should be able to pull out on them. There we go. Try to pull out on the bottom. You can also see that you have your studs here. Make sure these are tight and set your handle to the side. When installing your new handle, we are going to put it on the studs on the door. Make sure your Allen wrench fittings are going to the outside portion here of the door. And this way your Allen wrench can fit here nicely and turn quite easily. We'll tighten one. Let's tighten the other. Now what I want you to do is give the handle a little jiggle. Make sure it's not going to slide in a new place. And give them that last quarter of a turn. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.